friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today I am going to prepare two contrast dishes with fresh corn dosa and corn vada. You need to enjoy the natural flavors of different food items which are seasonal. Though in today's world we get everything all around the year, but when it is grown in a particular season it has more nutritive value. These vadas and dosas can be savored with tomato onion chutney, which is spicy and complements best with mellow flavors of corn. Let's check the process. Let's prepare instant tomato onion chutney. For that we require tomatoes. I have taken 2 big size tomatoes, 1 medium size onion, few red chilies according to your spice, 2 spoons of peanuts, little turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of jeera, 2 pods of garlic, salt to taste. First, let's heat a pan, add little oil. We'll fry these for the instant chutney. Now to this we'll add cumin seeds, red chilies, saute for a minute. We'll add peanuts. We'll fry till peanuts gets roasted. Now we'll add onions, garlic. Saute this till the onions get translucent. Now the onions have become translucent, so we'll add tomatoes, required salt, turmeric powder. Now till these tomatoes get cooked, we have to fry them. We can see that this is cooked, so now we'll turn off the stove and allow it to cool down, and then we'll grind it in the mixie. Let's see the ingredients for making corn vada. Coriander chopped, 2 medium sized onions, mediumly chopped, corn. I have taken 2 corn candies, 2, few red chilies according to your spice, salt to taste, little rice flour. We will not be adding too much, just to bind that we'll add a little of rice flour. First we will take red chilies and salt. First we'll grind this, then we will add corn. Now this is done, so we'll add corn to this. Without adding water, we will grind it coarsely. This is done. We will transfer this into a bowl. Let's start adding the remaining ingredients. Take an onion, coriander, little rice flour. We shall mix it and then check if it is required. We'll add, otherwise we will not add much. This is done, so this is ready for making vadas. We will start preparing the vadas. Now the oil is heated. We'll start making vadas. I'll take a small portion. We need to fry them till they become golden brown and crispy on both the sides. These are done. We will transfer them into a bowl. Let's see the ingredients for corn dosa. Fresh corn. I've taken 2 candies of corn. Little rice flour for binding. Few cumin seeds. Small pinch of ginger. If you like, it's okay. Otherwise, you can just ignore this. Salt to taste. We have to grind these into a dosa batter. First, we'll add little cumin seeds, ginger, salt, add corn to this. Now this is done, so we'll transfer this into a bowl. Now this is grinded, so let's add little rice flour to make it little crispy. These will not be crispy actually, they'll be soft, but to give a little tinge of crispy texture, we'll just mix this rice flour into this. The sweet corn or normal corn, it has sweetness in itself, so sometimes some people may not like that light tinge of sweetness in it. So for that you can add a little bit of chili flakes, or you can add even green chili, but I don't like to add green chili because anyhow we'll be complementing this with a chutney, so I'll just add a few chili flakes to enhance the taste. The mixture got cooled down. Now we'll grind this into a chutney. So this is done. We will add a tempering for this. We'll keep a small kadai, add little oil into this. Now the oil is heated, we'll add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, little hing, curry leaves. Now this is done, we can add this to the chutney. Heat a tawa. It is heated now. What we will do is, we'll just smear this with a little bit oil. I'm taking a tissue, we're just smearing this so that the dosas don't stick to this pan. I'll just take a little batter, spread this. These will not come out thin, they'll be little thick. We will add little oil or ghee, it is up to you. Now I think this is done, so we will just flip it and roast it on the other side as well. Now this is cooked on the other side as well. Now we'll remove this into a plate. Here are 2 varieties dishes with fresh corn ready. Corn dosa and corn vada. Pairing with a chutney, that is tomato onion chutney. This chutney can be used as multi-purpose with idli, dosa, uttapam, rice, roti, pakoras, etc. It is so yummy and delicious, you will definitely fall in love with it. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.